Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Today is day 2 of Google Maps. So, today is taking Google Maps to the next level. Today, highlights include continuing to use the search box. We're going to investigate what the green color is that we see on the maps. We're just going to kind of look at terrain a little bit as we visit Chattanooga. Uh, we're going to kind of look at how do we identify airports and then using interstates. So you may ask why we're doing this. Well, pilots have the ability to use something called aeronautical charts. These charts contain information that would be necessary for them to fly their aircraft. And a lot of times on these charts, they have topography, which is kind of our terrain, hazards, navigation routes, airspace, and airports. So we're going to go ahead, look at a bunch of different things. It does say to start with typing in here Chi-Town or Chicago, Illinois, and it'll kind of show you a picture of Chicago, give you kind of in white again, and you can go ahead, start going. You may have to zoom out, which is using the wheel or use the plus or minus. Also, let's say if I want to know where this one star is, if I take my cursor and I move it towards there, it zooms to that particular part. This just happens to be a soccer pitch, I think we went to. It's pretty cool. I think it's owned by the Chicago Fire. But anyways, I digress. Another thing that you're going to have to be doing is you're going to go ahead, look at Elk Grove Village. You then are going to do Chattanooga and look for some bumpy looking objects. Another cool search that you're going to be doing today is Chicago area airports. And once you do that, you'll notice on Google Maps here throughout the region. And again, if I want to sort of move a little bit, I hold my mouse button down. And all of these little red with an airplane have something to do with flight. They even put Meigs Field up here. I don't even know. That closed years ago, but you can kind of certainly zoom in. These are both Midway. Again, it's not always airports. Sometimes it's helipads, other things like that. Last but not least is we're going to go ahead and look at different interstates. Now, I've already kind of cut and pasted something. Here's O'Hare. We are somewhere around here. Stone Park, Addison, Elmhurst. Here we go. Here's Elmhurst. It's really cool how close we are to a lot of these main interstates. But back in the day, aviation, the main way to kind of fly was looking at roads or looking at different landmarks. And that's still kind of used today. Although I'll be honest with you, the navigation systems are much better than they were years ago. But still, there are times pilots look for landmarks, especially in the smaller planes, checkpoints. And this type of flying is called pilotage. And one visual feature that helps pilots navigate by sight is using interstates. Because they're so large, they're so visible. So you're just going to go ahead and answer a few questions here. So I think you can easily get this done in one class. Please finish it. You may work with somebody and then submit it, turn it in. All righty, let's get her done.